Do you know how Negros Occidental's unique delicacy is made inside the factory? Piaya, a muscovado and ube-filled pastry most common in Negros Occidental, has been one of Merzci's top products and best-selling pasalubong treat. But do you know how it is made? Here's how inside the Merzci Pasalubong factory in Bacolod City. First, the premixed dough along with other ingredients enters the dough kneader to be mixed. It will then be put aside to rest for a few minutes before it reaches the roller to flatten the dough sheet. This is the encrusting machine. This is where the actual process begins. The dough mixture is first sprinkled with sesame seeds. It will then be filled by either the original or ube filling. The machine does all these, including the flattening of the dough. Employees will then gather these thin crust pastries and prepares it for the final process. The grilling. Each employee grills up to 140 piaya per 5 minutes or 28 piayas a minute. All piayas are packed on the same day they are made.